Hello, welcome to this video. It's difficult to remember all your passwords, especially complex passwords according to expert advice. If you forgot your Gmail password, follow these steps to find saved passwords on Microsoft Edge. Open Microsoft Edge on your Windows computer, click on the three horizontal dots icon. Scroll down to the bottom and click Settings. Next you will find the place to store saved passwords in the Profiles tab. Then you click Passwords and search for your Gmail password. This is my Gmail account. For security reasons I am required to enter my Windows password to display my Gmail password. Above are the steps to find a forgotten Gmail password. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.